Costa Dulce. It is a company dedicated to the elaboration, commercialization, and distribution of preserves that, in this case, are the elaboration of jams of different exotic natural fruits in the city of Valledupar. We are committed to providing new and unique jams for the citizens of this city, following the strictest line of quality and hygiene of our product. For the preparation of jam, we select ripe, fresh, clean fruits, free of toxic substances, residues of agrochemicals, pests, or diseases, foreign bodies, or any other harmful substance. Profit and loss. Sales gross 38,684,000. Total operating income 39,484,000. Total operating cost 22,550,300. Profit or loss grosses 17,233,700. Total operating expenses 3,330,000. Operating income or loss 13,903,700. Utility present in the year 13,903,700. Objectives. Our main objective is to listen and satisfy our consumers by providing quality service, streamlining responses and processes. Also, to improve day by day our products ahead of time and adapting to their future tastes and needs. We have a team with experience and spirit of service, able to listen and identify the needs of our customers, offering answers and facilitating solutions. Strategies implemented in the company to evaluate and restructure logistics processes in customer satisfaction. For the company Costa Dulce, the main purpose of the customer service process manual is to supply what has been recognized as the company's failures. This instrument will allow company personnel to have a clear and precise knowledge of their tasks, obligations, and responsibilities, thus allowing the different departments that make up the company the development of a certain selection of personnel that corresponds to the profiles required to perform each job in particular, thus serving as a starting point to start the process of change and organization. Logistic Processes Evaluation Plan, Costa Dulce. Process Administration of Distribution Centers. The process of administration of distribution centers of the company Costa Dulce intends to maintain the good practices for the storage, and thus decentralize the operations and processes of the warehouse, selection of suppliers, purchase, monitoring, and control. The information will be administered and will provide the data in a real way to diagnose the effectiveness of the delivery with respect to the request made and thus guarantee an effective flow of the logistics cycle to give an effective response to the client. Items for process optimization. Indicators. Objective. Scope. It can be indicated that for the procurement process, there is a set of performance indicators that cover the internal operations of the process, such as product request time, evaluation time, and supplier selection, while other indicators are focused on controlling the relationship and performance of their suppliers, such as perfect orders, delivered on time, and complete, and complaints, while others are responsible for measuring cost. Loading and downloading process. This process is related to the constant movement that must be carried out in stock or transfer. Inventory. Efficient inventory management is essential to ensure the business has enough stored products to meet consumer demand. Items for process optimization. Indicators, objective, scope. Storage. Warehouse management is the process of the logistics function that deals with the reception, storage, and transfer with the same warehouse until the output of the product. Items for process optimization. Indicator, objective, scope. Picking process. It indicates that the production in Costa Dulce should be considered as a key process within the supply chain, since it allows the manufacture of the products, establishes its rates of elaboration, and allows developing its product functionalities that determine its later quality and degree to satisfy the needs of customers. Items for process optimization. Indicator, objective, scope. Fleet administration process. This process at Costa Dulce is oriented to meet the needs of the customer in a timely manner, with the expected quality and the competitive price, and the surpassing of expectations allows the physical movement of the products through different means: trucks, ships, aircraft, etc., from a point of origin to a point of destination. Design a distribution system according to the needs, and when planning the shipments, hire the most appropriate means of transport for each case. Items for process optimization. Indicator, objective, scope. Distribution process. Costa Dulce understand the activities of loading and unloading the means of transportation and transfers the products between the points of origin, destination in the supply chain to satisfy the needs of the customers in the time, place, and appropriate cost. Items for process optimization. Indicator, objective, scope. Conclusions. All processes in companies are susceptible to improvement. Companies must always follow up on their processes, being critical and analyzing each step in order to find better solutions to any improvement opportunity that you see. Always keeping in mind your north. The evaluation of the processes allow and require the permanent application of processes and improvement techniques which allow them to adjust their operation to their required objectives and standards. The benefits of improved processes in companies are not seen alone or necessarily reflected quantitatively, but in some cases with greater strength are highlighted qualitative benefits, which are of great importance because with the reduction of costs, not necessarily there is improvement in the processes, and the fact that there is an improvement in processes increases cost does not imply that afterwards they will not receive greater benefits.